Scientists have built these incredibly sensitive machines. Think of them like giant, super high-tech ears that can hear tiny ripples in the fabric of space itself. These tiny ripples are called gravitational waves, and they're like gentle waves in a pond, but instead of water, they're waves in space and time. These waves only happen when something extremely massive moves or crashes violently, like two black holes smashing into each other billions of miles away. Back in 2023, these giant ears picked up the strongest signal ever. It came from the biggest black hole crash we've ever detected, two monster black holes spinning around each other faster and faster until they merged into one even bigger black hole. This new black hole is about 225 times heavier than our sun, but squeezed into a tiny point with insane gravity. Now here's why scientists got really excited and a little confused. We know how most black holes form. A giant star much bigger than our sun runs out of fuel, it explodes in a supernova, and then what's left collapses into a black hole. But there's a problem. When stars are really massive, the explosion is supposed to be so powerful that it either blasts everything into tiny bits, leaving no black hole at all, or it leaves behind smaller black holes. Because of this, scientists long believed that there should be a forbidden zone, a range of black hole sizes that just shouldn't exist. That gap is between around 60 to 130 times the mass of our sun. No black hole should naturally form in that middle range. But guess what? The two black holes that crashed in 2023 were each around 100 to 140 times the sun's mass, right in the middle of that forbidden zone. So how can black holes exist if they're not supposed to? The best explanation right now is that these weren't made from a single dying star. Instead, they're probably born from previous crashes. Most likely, in super crowded parts of space, smaller black holes bump into each other, merge, and then create slightly bigger ones. Then those bigger ones crash into others, merge again, and keep growing. Just like a snowball rolling down a hill, picking up more snow and getting bigger and bigger with each turn. That's how we end up with these impossible giant black holes. This discovery is really cool because it shows the universe is more creative than we thought. Our old rules weren't completely wrong, they work for most cases, but space has extra tricks up its sleeve for making these monster black holes. Discoveries like these are what makes studying the cosmos so thrilling. Every time we think we figured it all out, the universe surprises us with something new. If you love hearing about wild, mind-blowing stuff happening out in deep space, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss the next jaw-dropping cosmic discovery. Thanks for watching.